You got rejected. Maybe she ignored your message. Maybe she chose someone else. Maybe she just walked away. And now you're sitting there wondering, what did I do wrong? But here's the truth no one tells you. Rejection is not your enemy. It's your teacher. The Stoics understood this centuries ago. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Let that sink in. You don't control who chooses you. You don't control how someone feels about you, but you do control how you respond. And that response defines you as a man. Epictetus said, "If someone is not loyal to you, that is not your misfortune, but theirs. Rejection is not a statement about your value. It's a mismatch. That's it. Not every door is meant to open for you." And chasing closed doors. That's how weak men waste their lives. Strong men do something different. They step back, they observe, they improve, they grow. Because rejection reveals something powerful, where you need to level up. Not for her, not for validation, but for you. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Rejection is resistance, and resistance builds strength. Every ignored message, every failed attempt, every moment you feel not good enough is an opportunity to become undeniable. So what do you do when you get rejected? You don't react, you don't chase, you don't explain yourself, you disappear. And while you're gone, you build, you fix your habits, you sharpen your discipline, you master your emotions, you become the man who doesn't need approval. Because here's the truth, the moment you stop needing validation is the moment you become attractive, not just to women, but to life itself. Rejection didn't break you, it exposed you. And now you have a choice, stay the same, or evolve into someone rejection cannot shake. Remember this, a weak man fears rejection. A strong man uses it. So the next time it happens, don't take it personally. Take it as fuel to ignite your flame within.